Now we have got 15 cubes that we want to move from this end to this end, and 5 that we want to move on here, and we're going to see how many we can move. So straight away we can see we've got 15 here and 11, so we can move 11 of the cubes all the way to the end. So we can take 11 off, both of those, and we've got 11 at the end. We've got 4 cubes left, so we can move those cubes to here, which will leave us 0, and down to here. However, only 3 of the cubes can move on to the end. That leaves 1 cube stuck here, which is our 1. On this side we have got 5 cubes that we want to move to the end. Now if we move these 5 cubes here and move them up here, they can't get anywhere because we have no capacity left to go along that line. So the 5 cubes will have to go along here, take the 5 away, and then up to the end, take our 5 away. That would leave us at the end 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have got 19 cubes. That is our maximum flow. Now on this path we have got 11 cubes that we want to move from P down to Q. Here we have got 6, and there we have got 12. So we'll start with the 11 cubes. Now we can see with these 11 cubes, if we look, we can move 8 all the way down to the end. So we'll do 11, take away our 8, which leaves us 3 cubes. We take our 8 from there, and that leaves us 8 cubes at the end, and 3 that we can just move up to there. Now with these 3 cubes we can look and see where else they can go. So we can move these 3 cubes down to here, which if we take that off there, that gives us 4. And to our end path we'll take away our 3 from here, that leaves us 6. So that gives us another 3. So there are our first 11 cubes that have been moved. Now we've got 6 cubes here. We can look and we can move these 6 cubes all the way from here because we've got 6, and across here for 6. So we make that into 0 and that into 0. And they're the cubes that have been moved so far. And then on this one we have got 12 cubes. So we can move our 12 cubes all the way along, which gives us 0 here, and we can move our 12 cubes here, but that leaves us a capacity to add another cube, so we can add our 12 onto here. So our total that we can move: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now on this example we have got 20 cubes here that we want to move to the end. We have got 40 on this track, and we have 26 on here. So if we look, we can easily move the 20 cubes all the way along the top. So to do that we take the 20 from each, and that tells us with the capacity that we have left. So even though we have no capacity there, we can move 6 cubes along both of these tracks. We then have 40 cubes that we can move down here. Now if we look, we've got 40, 40, 40, 40, so we can move all these cubes directly along to the end. Now here we have 26 cubes. Now we can move 26 down here, which gives us 0, and 26 down here, that gives us 0. This gives us a total maximum flow: 20, 40, 60, 80, 86.